Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to search in Shein by code ID or SKU. So let's begin. First of all, go to the Shein website and choose the item that you want to find the code of. Once you select the item, simply scroll down till you see the description section. Tap on it and on the bottom you will see SKU code, and beside that there is a button to copy the code. Simply tap on the copy button and the code has been successfully copied. Now go back and click on the search icon. Now there you have to paste the code that you have recently copied. Once you paste it, tap on search and now the product will be shown in the screen with the help of the code. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.